Hey everybody, hope everyone is having a awesome and a wonderful day. Today I wanted to take out some time and explain to you about this amazing business model of YouTube automation. So if you have actually been reaching out to me, asking like what is this business model, how does it work, how do we actually make money, and how pretty much you can also get started with this awesome online business. Make sure to stay till the end because I'll be covering a lot of stuff. I'll be going in like more overview, giving you like a more overview version of it. But like in the later video, I'll be going more in depth into this YouTube automation, right? So pretty much, hopefully you can actually see my screen. So I actually did a few diagrams and wrote it down like automation and like all the parts of YouTube automation, but I'll make it as simple as possible for you so you can actually digest and learn about it, right? So YouTube automation is a business model where you run a faceless channel. You don't have to show your face. Unlike other creators like Mr. Beast and Ryan Toys, there's so many different people actually creating content. They have to show their face, right? We're doing none of that, right? We don't have to do filming. We don't have to do editing. We don't have to write scripts. We don't have to design thumbnails, which is awesome, So we just have a small team, and you can actually create your team to as many people, right? It's up to you, but you can literally get started for very, very little, right? And in the beginning, you can even do everything on your own, right? It's not difficult, right? So simple definition is YouTube automation is like building a system where content is produced consistently without you personally creating every part, right? Which is awesome because you don't have to be involved in the channel. You can pretty much have the channel automated and go and enjoy your life. That's the main part, right? And it's like running a digital media company. Very, very awesome. So you must be asking like, how does it work? How do we actually make money and all these good parts, right? So how does people actually make money from YouTube automation? So the first part is the ads revenue, right? So YouTube partner program. You probably go on YouTube, you watch a video. On that video, ads is actually shown. But the creator on the other side, whoever channel or video it is, they're actually making money from that, right? So pretty awesome. And you don't have to go and find people. They come and watch your video online. Pretty much YouTube does everything. All we have to do is create a channel, upload videos. Those videos get views. From those views, we're making money. Very simple. We don't have to do selling, none of that. However, there's also 3 or 5 different ways you can also be earning from it. Affiliate marketing, you go digital products you can actually sell from your faceless channel, sponsorships, selling services, right? Most automation beginners focus on ad revenue first and then they scale from there, right? So it's the easiest and fastest way to start making money from it, right? So to actually monetize on your channel, you do need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. If you're creating shorts, you need like 10 million shorts views, right? Shorts is like short content less than 1 minute, and you need 10 million views on the shorts channel to actually monetize for you to show ads, and from those ads you're making money, right? So simple. So how to start YouTube automation, right? Step by step. So first thing you have to do is find profitable niche, and there's tons of niches you can actually find. Personal finance, business stories, luxury, health facts. These are all like high CPM niche, so you don't need that much views just to make money from this channel, right? And because it is a high paying niche, you're gonna be making a lot more money from this channel, right? So the bad niches for beginners, right? This is what the beginners actually do. They choose highly saturated motivational quotes niche or random viral content with no strategy, right? This is a complete failed way people actually start. That's the reason they don't never succeed. So pick something that has high CPM, right? Has search demand, has repeatable content ideas, right? You can be repeating this and you can create content for months or even years down the road, which is the awesome part. So here's what to do. Study competitors, right? Look at video length, the title, the thumbnail, how much view count they're getting, upload frequency, how long they're actually uploading, how much they're uploading, and then just copy their style, right? Model and improve. Don't copy, you adapt, right? Just extract what's working and bring it to your channel. It's simple way. Create a production system, right? So all of this part we used to outsource before, but because of AI, we are not using this, right? We just have one person. Like if we don't want to do the work, you can outsource all of these parts, but just one person does part of everything. Script writing, voiceover, video editing, thumbnail, like everything is done by AI, right? It's crazy. That's the good thing, that you can actually get started like this this year, and there has never been a better time to start it than now. So you can find freelancers on Fiverr, Upwork, or online communities. There's lots in there. At first, you can do some tasks yourself to save money. Like if you're on a low budget, you can actually pretty much learn and create the videos yourself, right? So focus on 3 things only, right? These are the 3 things to getting success. Title. You need to have a curiosity based title, must create curiosity. So example, how to save money. Instead of writing that, you write why most people stay broke even with good income. That's a good title, you know. So you want to be crafting a good title so people actually can click on it. And then after that comes the thumbnail. How good is the thumbnail? Create emotion plus bold text plus contrast, right? And how long people will actually watch the video. Retention goes into 3rd part. Your script must hook. First 5 to 10 seconds, no boring intros. Pattern interrupt every 20 to 30 seconds, you know. Post consistently. You don't want to be posting like 1 video every month. You want to be posting 2 to 3 videos on an ongoing basis. And this is something very important. You have to be consistent on YouTube automation if you want to get success, right? 2 to 3 video bare minimum. If you can upload every day, the more subscribers you're going to be gaining, the more views you're going to be gaining, and the more income you're going to be getting on your channel, right? So automation is not fast money, guys. You know, this is not quick money grab. So you need to expect 3 to 6 months before real traction, 6 to 12 months before stable income, because it's a new channel and you're testing on your channel in the first 1 or 2 months. Once you know what's working, then you can start duplicating it. Very, very important. So common mistakes people make, very common. So they pick random niche, they upload low quality script video, bad thumbnail, giving up early too soon, copying big channels exactly, not analyzing retention. Most people fail because they treat it like gambling, not business. Most people treat this as like hobby. If you treat this as a hobby, pays you like a hobby. Simple as that. So is it passive? Not in the beginning, it becomes passive after. So you build a system, you understand analytics, you know what works. At first, it's active business building, right? Very, very important. So if you're starting with low budget, here's what you got to do. You got to be picking one niche, write script yourself, use AI for voiceover, learn basic editing, post 20-30 videos, analyze, then outsource, you know. So those are the components that actually goes into YouTube automation and how you can create the channel yourself. And what I've actually shared, you can just go and learn everything on your own, right? You can just create a channel and start uploading videos, start learning everything. But if you're looking to get it off the ground very, very fast and get a proven strategy to succeed, you can go in my bio. I've actually put the info there. You can see if it's going to be the right fit for you. If you think what I actually share inside there, if you know you can start this business and getting to whatever income figures you want, you know, I'd be happy to have you in the community. And it's actually a community I'm actually building, and pretty much all the years of knowledge. I've actually been doing YouTube automation since 2016, so it's been a very, very long time. And just recently I started my community, just started building it up. And so if you're interested in it, I provide a lot of information in there, so you can go through everything. Everything I shared is pretty much like the whole overview, but inside I go deep, more in-depth detail, so you can actually just go in and start monetizing your channel and have the mindset training in there as well, in terms of YouTube automation, how to scale the channel and everything. You're gonna get inside there. So thank you so much for watching. If you have any question, let me know and I'll talk to you soon. God bless. Bye for now.